everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Today I wanted to share with you a few items I picked up at Goodwill and show you how I transformed them into some easy and inexpensive fall decor. If you're new to my channel and like home decor and DIYs, stick around by hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. Alright, let's get started. The first thing that I picked up from Goodwill was this little wooden tray for $2.99. I thought that this would be perfect for Thanksgiving to serve like a meat and cheese and cracker platter on, but I wanted to give it more of a fall look. So I took my pencil and drew a little pumpkin in the middle of the tray where the circle part was, and I just freehanded that pumpkin. I just searched online for some pumpkin outlines and just kind of tried to copy that. And then instead of painting on this tray, I have this wood burning tool. It's really easy to use. It does get super hot, so you have to be careful with it, but I just used the calligraphy tip on it, and I traced the pencil lines all the way around the pumpkin and the stem to draw my pumpkin on here. And then that way I can still use this as a food tray without having to worry about paint or anything like that. Once the pumpkin was all outlined, I went ahead and changed the tip out to fill in the stem of the pumpkin. I'm not sure what this tip is called, I forget right now, but it filled in that stem of the pumpkin, and then I just, off to the side of the stem, I made a little leaf, and that was it. This turned out so pretty, I think, and it's perfect to use for fall and parties and Thanksgiving. The second thing I picked up from Goodwill was this picture frame. It was also $2.99. It was pretty large. I think it was an 11 by 14 picture frame, and the wood on the frame was in really good shape, so I decided to take the glass out of it and give this a couple coats of chalk paint. Once the chalkboard paint was all dry, I went ahead and inserted the glass back into the frame. So I just made a little chalkboard, and I didn't do anything to the frame because, like I said, the wood around it was in really good condition, and I actually liked the color of it. So I thought it went really well with the fall leaves that I'm putting around it. This is just a piece of garland from Dollar Tree that I just doubled over into a circle, and then I hot glued it to the top, the bottom, and the two sides of the frame. Then I just wrote "Hello Fall" on the chalkboard because I just thought that was a cute little saying. And I took a piece of scrap burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I just tied a simple bow, and I took a little piece of the burlap ribbon and wrapped it around the middle of the bow to kind of finish it off. And then I just hot glued that bow to the top of the frame to cover up some of that hot glue where I glued down the garland. And then I just cut the bottoms of the ribbon nicely, and then I intertwined the tails of the ribbon through the garland a little bit so that way you could see the chalkboard a little bit better. And I think this turned out really pretty for fall. It's really simple and easy and elegant and gives those nice fall colors. The last thing I picked up from Goodwill, I was super excited to find. It's one of these wooden toolboxes. I picked this up for $1.99, and it was in really good condition. I love the wood color on it and the writing, so I thought this would be perfect to use as a centerpiece on my kitchen table throughout all of the seasons. So I'm going to share with you how I'm going to decorate it for this fall season. So I went ahead and picked up some of these flowers from Dollar Tree. They have some really pretty ones out right now for fall. I picked up some of the dahlias, and then also some cone flowers, and then also these really pretty hop bushes. I love the shape of them, and the colors they came in were green and orange and like a cream color, and I thought that those were just so pretty for fall. The first thing that I did was just take some floral foam from Dollar Tree and I cut it to size and just fit it inside the box, and then the extra pieces I just threw on top of there as well. And then I just started placing my flowers around where I liked them. I started out trying to kind of do a pattern where I did the dahlias first and then the cone flowers, and then I was gonna do the hot bushes, but that didn't really look right. I'm not exactly sure what I was going for there. But I just played around with it, and I just started adding the hot bushes, and then I started adding those all around. And I added a few more cone flowers to the bottom and kind of mixing up the flowers a little bit better. And I think that turned out really pretty after I got the groove going on that. The last thing I did was place one of these orange Dollar Tree pumpkins in the middle, and I just think that just kind of brought in the orange hop bushes and made it look really pretty and more fall-ish. So I really love how this turned out, and I'm so excited that I get to decorate this for every season. It's going to be such a classic, and I'm going to be able to use it for years to come.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like thrift store and trash to treasure makeover videos like this. And I will see you guys next time. Take care, bye bye.